Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Denver omelet hash brown casserole. To start off the recipe, I'll be adding in 16 ounces of diced ham into 6 cups of frozen shredded hash brown potatoes. In here I have roughly a cup of diced onion and 1 medium green bell pepper. 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And then lastly, I have 1 cup of quartered cherry tomatoes. Once those are all mixed together, it gets poured into a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. Before I move on to the eggs, I did forget to add in 4 cloves of minced garlic. I'll just add that in now and quickly toss it around. Moving on to the eggs, in here I have 12 large eggs that have been vigorously beaten, along with 1 cup of milk, and then a teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Once they're combined together, the eggs can be poured over top of the hash browns. The omelet is now ready to go into a 350-degree oven where it's going to bake uncovered for an hour or until the center is set and the edges have started to turn a golden brown. When the omelet came out of the oven, I did allow it to sit on the counter just for about 10 minutes to cool down a little bit. I will say though, it did take about an hour and 20 minutes in total for it to cook all the way through. But now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. It smells really good. This turned out incredibly well. I like the potatoes running through here. It really does give you a different flavor, but I still get all the flavors of the Denver omelet coming through over top of that. The only thing I think I would say is I could use a tad bit more salt, but that's probably just personal preference. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I'm Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.